Paul Psoka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the sixth question from the Digital SAT Test 3, Module 2B. This is from the hardest set of reading and writing questions. Number 6 reads, which choice best states the main purpose of the text? So what's main purpose? It's like main idea on steroids. Main idea is the what happened. Main purpose is why has it happened. So it does take it one step further. Usually when you have the main idea in mind, you're in a good position to answer the question correctly, but there are those tougher questions where you really got to think, why is the author telling me this? So let's go to the text. You should always read the intro, especially, usually it'll have 2 sentences. The second sentence of the intro is the important sentence typically. The following text is adapted from Jane Austen's 1814 novel, Mansfield Park. The speaker, Tom, is considering staging a play at home with a group of his friends and family. And keep in mind that Tom is the speaker as well. Okay, so we mean nothing but a little amusement among ourselves, just to vary the scene and exercise our powers in something new. So it sounds like maybe they haven't done plays before, just to vary the scene. Maybe they've done other stuff before, other activities together, and plays like a little bit outside of what they usually do. We want no audience, no publicity. We may be trusted, I think, in choosing some play most perfectly unexceptionable. So it sounds like the play is going to be ordinary. If it's exceptional, it's extraordinary. So they're trying really hard to make it perfect. It sounds like this is just something for fun. And I can conceive, I could think of no greater harm or danger to any of us in conversing in the elegant written language of some respectable author than in chattering in our own words. So it sounds like it's pretty informal. Let's go to the answer choices. Answer choice A. To offer Tom's assurance that the play will be inoffensive and involve only a small number of people. That actually looks good. So involve only a small number of people might be easier to determine, because it says here we want no audience, no publicity, and it's just for amusement among ourselves. So yeah, small number of people. The inoffensive part. Okay, now it does say over here, we may be trusted in choosing a play most perfectly unexceptionable. And I could see of no greater harm or danger in any of us in conversing with. So it sounds like he's staying away from danger, and that might be like risk of offending someone. Okay, so answer choice A looks like it's a decent answer. Let's look at the other answer choices. Answer is B, to clarify that the play will not be performed in the manner Tom had originally intended. So here it says it's at home with a group of friends and family. And then here he says amusement among ourselves, no audience, no publicity. That's all sounds like it is in the manner Tom originally intended. Answer choice C, to elaborate on the idea that the people around Tom lack the skills to successfully stage a play. Nowhere does it say or imply that we can't do this. And in fact, it sounds like they're just doing it for fun to kind of entertain themselves. Answer choice C is gone. Answer choice D, to assert, which means to speak positively, meaning you're announcing it. It's related to the word assertive. When you say something assertive, you could say that you assert that thing. To assert that Tom believes the group performing the play will be able to successfully promote it. Not promote it. They're not looking to promote it. We want no audience, no publicity. That's definitely wrong. It looks like answer choice A is our best answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these main purpose questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. And check out our 1-minute videos. If you go to IB Masters Learning Center, go to the playlists. Once you find the playlist, find your section and module number. We have these 1-minute videos that could save you some time watching some videos that are just below these longer videos. And hit subscribe. Check out this other video about main purpose. Have a great day.